Welcome. I'm excited to share my hydroponic growing journey with you. This is my home backyard prototype where I've been researching and growing fresh vegetables all year round. In just 3 months, you can become an expert like me and start growing your own vegetables. You'll save thousands of dollars annually while enjoying fresh, pesticide-free produce, regardless of the season. And the best part, once you master it, you can even sell your surplus to local stores and create a side income. Before we dive in, let me tell you why hydroponics is revolutionary. First, you can grow vegetables 365 days a year, no seasonal limitations. You use 90% less water than traditional gardening, and you'll see 30 to 50% faster growth rates. It's perfect for small spaces like balconies, backyards, or even indoors. Let me break down what hydroponics actually is. Hydroponics is growing plants without soil using nutrient-rich water solutions instead. Plant roots are suspended in this solution, getting direct access to nutrients, oxygen, and water. There are 6 main hydroponic systems you should know about. Deep water culture is best for beginners and the cheapest to set up. The nutrient film technique is fantastic for growing leafy greens like lettuce. Ebb and flow systems are very versatile and work for various types of plants. Drip systems are scalable for commercial growth, while aeroponics offers maximum growth rates. For beginners, I recommend starting with deep water culture. It's what I use right here. The first step in your journey is planning and choosing the right location. If you use your backyard like mine, you'll need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Balconies or even indoors work great, though indoor setups will need grow lights. A basic 4x4 foot setup is enough to grow 12 to 20 plants. You can start a basic beginner setup for as little as $150 to $300. Start with lettuce, spinach, or basil. They are the easiest to harvest in just 30 days. Welcome to the future of agriculture. Today we're exploring the gold mine of commercial indoor hydroponics. I'm here to show you how to build a profitable, fully automated system for growing tomatoes, cucumbers, and green chilies. These 3 crops offer year-round market demand, premium pricing, and a quick return on your investment. In markets like Pakistan, skyrocketing energy costs and supply gaps are huge hurdles for traditional farming. Our solution is a 100% indoor environment powered by solar and wind energy for zero electricity bills. With full automation via smartphone and complete consultancy from ICSNZ Ltd, you're set for success. Let's dive deep into our first crop, tomatoes, and how to dominate the market. The secret is the off-season. While others struggle, you'll be harvesting premium produce at 300% price premiums. Your target markets are high-end supermarkets, restaurants, and hotels that demand consistent bulk quality. Hydroponic tomatoes can fetch up to $12 per kilogram during the off-season. That's a massive profit margin. For 100 plants, you only need about 200 to 300 square feet with enough height for vertical growth. The Dutch bucket system is perfect here. It supports heavy fruiting and uses individual buckets for each plant. Everything is automated. From drip irrigation frequency to pH auto-dosing, you control it all from your phone. This is just the beginning. Stick around as we break down cucumbers and the full lighting setup in the next part. We've mastered tomatoes and cucumbers. Now it's time for the third pillar of our high-demand trio, green chilies and the secret to their premium market value. Green chilies are a high-margin specialty crop. Because they are often sold by weight in smaller quantities, the profit per square foot is exceptionally high. The secret lies in precision. By controlling the nutrient, EC, and pH levels precisely, we can optimize the heat levels and flavor profile that chefs and premium markets demand. Chili plants thrive in specific heat zones. Our automated climate control maintains the perfect tropical environment 24/7, regardless of the weather outside. Remember, this entire 3-crop system runs on 100% solar and wind energy. You're growing premium produce with zero electricity bills. With this automated trio, most commercial growers see a complete return on investment within 12 to 18 months. It's a sustainable, profitable future. From system design and installation to crop management and market strategy, ICSNZ Ltd provides the complete turnkey solution. Ready to revolutionize your agriculture business? Visit icsservices.nz and let's build your high-tech farm today. Thanks for watching our series.